If you're going to be a journalist, then you need to understand what makes a story news or newsworthy. So today we're breaking the students into groups, and in those groups there's going to be one person who is the editor. Angus, you're going to be our editor in your group. Bethany, you're going to be our editor. Don't worry, don't stress, we'll talk you through what you need to do.
I can be very opinionated, especially because I have autism. I think that makes us so kind of ethics driven. There is right and wrong, and we push the right. I would love to go into journalism in my way of bringing those things to the light and telling people the truth of what's happening and fighting for people.
I'd like you to come up with an order for those stories. Take it away.
Right, team, we gotta report the news. We gotta get the best possible stories out there to the viewers.
Aye, aye, skipper.
Yeah. Thank you.
New giant kangaroo species discovered.
What's interesting about that? Why do you think that other people will be interested in the new kangaroo species?
For kangaroos live in Australia.
That's a really good point.
There's definitely a traditional way of ordering a news bulletin, but there's no right and wrong way.
I feel like new giant kangaroo is like a really good way to grab people's attention.
Because kangaroos are the national animal of Australia.
Yeah, then this is almost entertainment to Rabbitohs, that's entertainment. And then this is I feel like this is how neurodivergent news should work. Then put the politics stuff right at the end.
I think I got a better one.
What have you got, Fletcher?
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Laura quits job to make Lego.
Woohoo.
Yay.
Any differences of opinion with
Yes,
Silas?
I disagree.
Silas has got a different opinion.
I've never had the opportunity to be with so many other autistic people. It's an opportunity that values thinking outside the box.
Loneliness is on the rise. This one is obviously disgusting me, so that's going to burn in the ground.
Does it not kill thousands of people every day? Is that not important news?
No.
The group was doing whatever news they thought was fun.
We've had a lot of talk about Russia and Ukraine over the past 12 months, so I think that might be the one I'll eliminate.
This affects everybody in Ukraine versus an extinct kangaroo, which affects only scientists.
Oh, that's an interesting argument. That's an interesting.
That actually does say scientists.
Why do we need the palate cleanser when we just need the truth?
This is our TV studio.
This is what the lights look like.
Guys, look, we're on TV.
There's a real range of different perspectives on the news that we got. Getting into the studio and reading through the news stories is really the best way to work out whether the stories read well.
This is really amazing.
I love this.
I love this too. This is like really good behind the scenes. I think what news is important is positive news because everyone wants to be happy. And I don't like it when people aren't happy.
Oh, this is the green screen. Walking into the studio, I felt like, oh my God, this is actually for real. I was a bit nervous. And then as soon as they said, oh, you're doing the news reporting, I'm like, oh, yay, I get to do it. I'm so happy.
Are you happy behind the desk?
Yes, we are ready to go.
Evie, are you happy in the control room?
Yes, we're ready in the control room.
Oh yeah, we're ready in the control room.
All right, quiet on set. 3, 2, 1, and action.
Welcome to the Midday Bulletin. I'm Abby.
And I'm Dylan.
Today, Nathan Sawaya was unhappy with his job on Wall Street. He started by working at Legoland as a master builder and now is a Lego certified professional. He has more than 10 million Lego bricks. That is a lot.
Imagine like how big those buildings would be like. Imagine if you could walk into them and feel the Lego bricks on the walls.
Feel all the bricks on the walls, yeah. It's not a smooth wall, it's certainly a bricky wall.
Yeah. The green screen was loads of fun. It was just like sitting there and it was like, ooh, this feels fancy, you know? I'm Mitch.
And I'm Savannah. It felt like you're living your dream.
Okay, nicely done. All right, thank you to our news anchors.
Well done. Oh, thank you.
You did it.
I found that amazing, that you got to control the cameras when the news was happening.
Wow, isn't that interesting, Dylan?
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Can you tell me about the studio?
The studio is fine.
We will be back at 5 o'clock for more news. See you later.
What is your favourite thing you've done so far?
Lunch.